This incredible story you're about to see was made with just a single prompt. After spending hours researching and testing different creative tools, I finally discovered a way to produce amazing animated stories effortlessly and at no cost. Normally, making story videos requires juggling multiple platforms, writing scripts, generating visuals, syncing audio, and editing, which often costs over $80 per month. But today, I'll introduce a single platform that handles all those steps in one place, quickly, smoothly, and affordably. It's called Magic Light, and it really feels like magic. With it, you can bring to life any story imaginable, from heartwarming children's tales to thrilling adventures or mysterious narratives. And here's the best part. Your characters remain consistent throughout the story, giving a professional touch to every scene. You can even make videos up to 30 minutes long. Stick around until the end because I'll show you exactly how to create such stunning videos in just a few clicks. Even better, the brand new Sora 2 feature is now available for free inside Magic Light, letting you create cinematic quality videos from a single image. Once you visit the Magic Light website, you'll find a clean, beginner-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. You can explore videos made by other users, gather inspiration, and start building your own professional-looking projects right away. The website link is in the description. Time to experience the true magic of AI storytelling. Now, let's head into the main creation section. Here, you can easily select what kind of project you want to build from several great options. The story-to-video feature lets you create complete stories automatically. If you prefer kids' content, the children's story section is perfect. You can even make intelligent AI videos using the AIContentCreation channel video option. For this demonstration, click on Image to Video because we're going to try the newly added Sora 2 function. This update takes AI video generation to the next level. The best thing? Sora 2 is currently free, and professional users can also enjoy special discounts on the Plus and Pro plans. You'll soon see how to build a beautiful, high-quality video from just a few pictures in only a few minutes. In this part, upload your photo, and if you have a specific description or idea, enter it as a prompt to help the AI deliver the best results. Next, in the video model options, choose Sora 2, since this model dramatically enhances both detail and visual quality. Then hit Create Video and let the magic unfold. In just moments, your finished video will be ready for download. Now let's check the results. I've also uploaded another sample to truly test Sora 2's power, and honestly, the outcome is stunning. The visuals are fluid and realistic, almost unbelievable for something created with only a few clicks. The motion feels smooth, and the level of detail rivals professional animation. In my opinion, Sora 2 is one of the best innovations Magic Light has ever released. So, if you want to make studio-quality videos quickly and easily, this is the tool you need. Now, let's move to the story-to-video tool, where simple text can turn into a complete, professional-looking video. After clicking Story to Video, go to the Smart Script area. I've shared a special prompt on our Telegram channel. Just copy and paste it here. Next, select your desired aspect ratio, then choose your video language. Magic Light supports nearly every major language worldwide, so you can reach any audience. Then, pick a model. Each one produces a slightly different visual tone and effect. In the Style section, you'll find tons of options, from cartoon and playful looks to adventure, horror, and cinematic designs. Each style creates its own unique atmosphere. Set your video duration, anywhere from 3 to 30 minutes, ideal for YouTube or storytelling projects. Once everything's ready, click Next. Now it's time to choose your characters. You'll find a wide range, male, female, young, older, and even different voice personalities. You can also keep your main characters consistent throughout, giving the story a natural flow. When you finish selecting, click Next again. In the next stage, fine-tune your voice settings. Adjust narration speed, slow for calm stories or faster for exciting ones. Choose between male and female voices, with different tones like young, mature, or professional. Each voice gives your video a distinct personality. If any image doesn't look quite right, use the regen option to regenerate a better version. For advanced control, Magic Light also includes integrated AI helpers like Nano Banana Google, adding more flexibility and customization. Next up is the animation section. Choose all animations, so every image comes to life automatically. Then hit Next. Select your video model. Each has its own movement style, color grading, and composition. Once that's set, all your images are instantly transformed into a full video. Finally, choose your video cover, the thumbnail your audience sees first on YouTube, so make it stand out. You can also add subtitles in English or any language to make your video accessible and engaging. Pick your background music. All soundtracks are royalty-free and give your project a polished, dynamic atmosphere. And that's it, your professional video is complete. Click download to save it, and let's watch the finished product together.
Samantha had always thought her family's home was ordinary, nothing special. Nestled in a quiet neighborhood, it was a cozy two-story house with a white picket fence and a well-kept garden. Yet, as she wandered the dusty attic one afternoon, something unusual caught her eye. In the far corner, beneath a pile of forgotten boxes, she noticed a narrow trapdoor hidden under the floorboards. Curiosity piqued, she knelt down and pulled it open. The small stairwell that lay beneath led to a dim, musty tunnel. The walls were lined with stone, and a faint, cool breeze seemed to whisper from deep within. Heart racing, Samantha descended cautiously, her flashlight cutting through the darkness. The tunnel stretched far longer than she expected, twisting and turning beneath the earth. She couldn't shake the feeling that she was trespassing, that something was waiting for her. After what felt like an eternity, the tunnel finally opened up into a hidden room. The walls were lined with old bookshelves filled with strange, leather-bound volumes. In the center of the room, an old desk sat surrounded by dusty papers and journals. As Samantha skimmed through the documents, her hands trembled. The records spoke of forbidden rituals and secret societies, her family's name mentioned repeatedly.